Red pepper and lemon detox mix. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of natural remedies with a recipe that's simple yet incredibly powerful. Have you ever felt like your body needs a little boost? Something to kickstart your energy, support digestion, and even help burn fat? If the answer is yes, then this detox mix is for you. It's made with just 4 ingredients: red pepper, lemon juice, honey, and water. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Each ingredient packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Let's start by talking about red pepper. The secret behind its magic lies in a compound called capsaicin. Capsaicin is what gives chili peppers their heat. But did you know it can also heat up your metabolism? When consumed, capsaicin encourages your body to burn more calories. It's like giving your metabolism a gentle nudge to work harder. Not only that, it supports fat burning, which is great for anyone on a weight loss journey. And here's the best part: it also boosts energy levels. Who doesn't need a little extra energy to tackle the heat of the day? Now let's move on to our second star ingredient, lemon juice. Lemons are famous for their high vitamin C content. This vitamin is a powerhouse for your immune system. Drinking lemon juice regularly helps your body fight off illnesses. But that's not all. Lemon juice also aids digestion by stimulating stomach acids. This makes it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. And as an added bonus, lemons have a refreshing flavor that wakes up your senses. Next up, we have honey. Why add honey to this mix? For one, it balances the spiciness of the red pepper and the tanginess of the lemon. But more importantly, honey has its own health benefits. It's packed with antioxidants, which help protect your body from harmful free radicals. Honey also soothes the digestive system and provides a natural source of energy. Finally, we have water, the base of this detox mix. Water is essential for life, and it plays a vital role in this recipe. It keeps you hydrated and helps transport all the nutrients in the mix to your cells. Now that you know why each ingredient is special, let's talk about how to prepare it. It's incredibly easy. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of red pepper or chili flakes. Juice of 1 fresh lemon. 1 teaspoon of honey. 1 glass of warm water. First, take a glass of warm water. Warm water is important because it helps dissolve the honey and mix everything evenly. Add the red pepper or chili flakes. Then, squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Finally, stir in the honey until it dissolves completely. And that's it! Your detox mix is ready to drink. The best time to enjoy this drink is in the morning on an empty stomach. Why? Because your body absorbs nutrients better when your stomach is empty. Plus, starting your day with this mix gives you a refreshing burst of energy. So, what can you expect when you make this drink a regular part of your routine? For starters, you might notice an improvement in your digestion. Lemon juice and honey work together to support a healthy gut. You'll also feel more energetic thanks to the metabolism-boosting power of capsaicin and the natural sugars in honey. Over time, this mix can even help with weight management. Remember though, consistency is key. One glass won't magically change everything, but drinking it daily can create small, positive changes that add up over time. It's also worth mentioning that this detox mix is not a substitute for a balanced diet. Think of it as a helpful addition to a healthy lifestyle. And as with any remedy, listen to your body. If you're not used to spicy foods, start with a smaller amount of red pepper. You can gradually increase it as your body adjusts. So why not give this mix a try? It's quick, easy, and made with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Let this simple drink become your new morning ritual. Not only will it invigorate your body, but it will also set a positive tone for the rest of your day. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. After all, good health is always better when shared. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.